First, go ahead and select the folder that you want to transfer to a new location. Right click, and you should see the option here for copy. If you don't see it, go ahead and click show more options. And here you see the option to copy. And then all you have to do is just navigate to the other drive or the other folder that you wish to copy or transfer the folder to. Right click, click on show more options again, and then hit paste. And then you would have transferred your folder from one location to the other. Now you can also select multiple folders. All you have to do is on your keyboard hit the control key, so that's the one labeled CTRL. Hold that, left click on whichever folder you want, and then you'll see here that you can select multiple folders here. Go ahead and select the ones that you want, and same process, just right click, click show more options, click on copy, go back to your secondary drive or your second folder location, click on show more options again, click on paste, and then this starts the transfer process for multiple folders or multiple files, and that's how you easily do it within Windows. You'll just give this about a few more minutes, and then that will complete the process. The transfer is all done, and you've seen that all 4 of the folders here have been transferred. And that is how you transfer files in Windows using the easiest method called copy and paste.